Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mercy. Today I'm working on my floor. I'm updating my beauty room. So as you can see, this tile, it's a peel and stick floor tile. I get it from Walmart and I start by measure the room. The room is a 12 by 12 room, so I measure it so I can start in the middle. This floor is so easy to use. You just peel it and stick it. That's so easy it is. So it's very affordable. I purchased 8 boxes and I got some left over. So it's very important before you start the process, you mop, you broom, just have the floor clean before you start the process. As you can see, when I'm applying the tile, I put it very close together. I don't leave no gap, no nothing. It's important to put it very close together. Or if you up to another look, so it's depend what you want to do. But me, I didn't want any gap in between at all. So and I apply pressure just to stick it very good on the floor. Okay, it's so easy to use. You just peel it and stick it. Peel and stick. So keep on watching.
Don't dig deep like you would have a clue. I see is how I was a fool to see my heart skip beats.
I just want to take some time to welcome everyone that new to this channel. Welcome. I'm so blessed to have you here. And please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be the first to know. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Say that you didn't need any part of me. Yeah, maybe it's not me. You should be the one on your knees.
In this part of the video, that's where I'm doing the corner. So you can use measurement, measure the area and measure the tile, cut it. But to me, it was more easy to do it this way. I just place the tile and grab a tool and press it over the tile and cut it this way. I have the exact measure that I needed. So as you can see what I'm doing.
If we had another chance, I would never let you steal my glance. Bring me back to life. If we had another chance, I would never let you steal my glance. Bring me back to life. Over your skin, you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long, you felt the heat evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you feel freedom too. Bask in the glorious lightning. Move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the. Move like the, move like the. Move like the, move like the. Radiate, radiate, radiate. Gravitate, gravitate, gravitate.
Okay guys, in this part, that's where I'm going to use this piece of tile as a guide because there's like a piece of it that was longer than the other one, so I needed to cut it out, but I needed a straight line. I'm using this tile like a guide to help me cut it straight. So when I'm putting the other tile, so it can lay out flat and beautiful.
There was time, no room for darkness to take place. Calling for the light in the mystery of life. Every night has come to this. On every star will make a wish. All my life I fought for this, a new beginning.
Okay, that's the finished look. I really like the way the room turns out, and cost me about $70 to get the room done. And when I was reading the instruction, they said 8 boxes, but I didn't have to use the 8 boxes. I got some leftovers, so I really like it. This room gonna be my beauty slash nails room, so I didn't want to spend too much money on the floor, but that's the best way for me to update the floor, and I really like it. So if you do like it too, give me a big thumbs up and comment down below, subscribe. I hope to see you on my next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.
When